Bring on board Aditya Arora to talk more about the markets as well. Aditya, very good afternoon. Thank you so much as always for joining in with us. Aditya, let's talk about the new year, new high, right? What should we be doing? What is the expectation now from the Nifty? As well as the mid and small cap, they too are performing well.
Very good noon, Mini. You have perfectly termed it as New Year, New High. I think that is the theme. April series has started with a very strong data and global sentiments are pretty good. China is coming back with a bang. The PMI data was better than expected. So that is adding fuel to the rally. I think this time it wouldn't be a domestic rally, but a global led rally because NASDAQ is at lifetime high, Dow Jones lifetime high. Now it's time for Nifty and Bank Nifty to hit new highs. My target for Nifty is 22,500 to 23,000. I have been telling this on ET Now and ET Now Swadesh since last 1 week. And my target for Bank Nifty is 49,000 to 50,000. So pretty bullish bias over there as well. And I think the overall setup of the market is pretty good. It's a broad-based rally. After that brutal correction in small cap, mid cap, I think stock took time to consolidate. A lot of stocks took time to consolidate. And after forming a base, now all stocks are just firing away. And the data is pretty good. FIs have been buying since last 3 days. And FNO data is pretty bullish. Bank Nifty rollover data is higher than 3-month average. So that is suggesting that there's fuel to the rally in banking space as well. So HDFC Bank has also took a lot of time to consolidate. I think all the large caps looks pretty well and it could be a broad-based rally. So sentiments are pretty bullish and market looks pretty bullish from here.
Right, Aditya, bullish from here and large caps is something that one could look at as well. But during the first 3 months of the year, when you look at it, PSU Banks, that's been interesting, right? Among the top gainers, when you look at it, it's PSU Banks, which have seen a sharp run up as well. Anything that, is still interesting on the PSU Bank fronts, or now would you just shift, like you were mentioning about HDFC Bank, would that be the focus on?
I think private banks could lead, but the chart pattern of public sector banks is not bad also. So I think Can Bank is a good candidate in PSU banking space. One can buy Can Bank at 586.60. Stop loss must be 559 and target is 610 to 630.
Okay, so that's the take coming in on some of these frontline names, but I'm curious to know, Aditya, from you in terms of the stock-specific bets, real estate and metals, they're firing away in the trading session. Which chart from these two sectors looks the strongest to you?
Anisha, I just had a chat with ET Now on Thursday itself, and at that time, I had expressed my bullish view on Nifty Reality Index, and from there today, all the stocks from that index are doing pretty well, and I think there's more to go over here, more to 3 to 5% upside over here. So I think yes, one must maintain the bullish bias in this space. So it's like stocks are moving with momentum. Those are not value bias. Those are not cheap stocks, but actually stocks which are doing well on back of momentum. So one can ride those momentum until the momentum is good.
Right. Aditya, let's just look at one of the stock specific names, IDFC First Bank, what's your thought on this one as well? That had been in, a favorite for the while last year when you look at it for a lot of technical analysts as well. Does it still make the favorite list?
Although this stock has disappointed a lot of analysts, but from here it's a value buy. It's a very good value buy. And IDFC First could be bought from here at 76.35. Stop loss must be 74.80 and target would be 79 to 83. So looks pretty good. Stock is at support level. So one shouldn't be bearish on this counter, but neutral to bullish.
Quickly, before we let you go, your top recommendations on the charts that you're spotting?
I think one stock which must come to everybody's radar is MCX because there is, chart buster move. There are chart buster moves in gold recently, gold, silver, crude oil, copper. aluminium. So I think MCX is a major beneficiary when there's a good pulse in commodity market. So I think MCX is a good buy at this price. So MCX could be bought at 73535. Stop loss must be 3,300 and target is 3,790. Second one from the banking space, high beta, high risk, high reward candidate. So this could be bought at 187. 179 must be stop loss and 195 to 210 is the target.
Okay, Aditya, thank you so much for joining in with us this afternoon on ET Now. It's a pleasure having you on the show as always.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.